Welcome to our exciting drone showdown. Today, we're comparing two fantastic drones designed for beginners and enthusiasts alike. On one side, we have the Screwbuzz 2 KHD FPV Drone, known for its advanced brushless motor technology and impressive camera capabilities. On the other side, we have the Velcase 108 OPHD Foldable Drone, which offers user-friendly features and a compact design. Let's dive into the details and see how these two drones stack up against each other. The Screwbuzz 2 KHD FPV Drone features a brushless motor, which is known for its superior efficiency, stability, and longevity. This motor type allows for better performance in windy conditions and provides a quieter operation. In contrast, the Velcase 108 OPHD Foldable Drone likely utilizes brushed motors, which, while adequate for beginners, may not offer the same level of performance or durability. This distinction is crucial for users looking for a drone that can withstand outdoor flying conditions. When it comes to stabilization, the Screwbuzz 2 KHD FPV Drone relies on altitude hold, which helps maintain a steady hover but may struggle in more challenging conditions. On the other hand, the Velcase 108 OPHD Foldable Drone boasts optical flow positioning, providing excellent stability, especially at low altitudes. This feature is particularly beneficial for beginners who may find it challenging to control their drone in varying conditions. In terms of camera capabilities, the Screwbuzz 2 KHD FPV Drone claims to offer a 2K HD camera, which should provide higher resolution footage compared to the Velcase's 108 OPHD camera. However, it's important to note that the actual performance may vary, and some users have reported that the 2K designations can be misleading. The Velcase drone, while offering lower resolution, is designed for ease of use and may still deliver satisfactory results for casual users. In conclusion, both the Screwbuzz 2 KHD FPV Drone and the Velcase 108 OPHD Foldable Drone have their unique strengths and weaknesses. The Screwbuzz offers superior motor technology and camera resolution, making it a great choice for those looking for performance. Meanwhile, the Velcase provides excellent stabilization features and user-friendly controls, perfect for beginners. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.